Hello and welcome. Sean from Speedcast here again, and in today's video I'll show you how to install the Starlink business antenna. The first thing you need to think about, even for a demo, is the location of the antenna. Today we're just outside our Perth office and we want to make sure that we've got a clear view of the sky for maximum availability. The business antenna has a 140-degree field of view towards the satellites. So we can use the Starlink app to check for obstructions to help us best select our location for the antenna. Once you have the Starlink app downloaded, open the obstructions menu and go stand in your proposed antenna location. Now you select the high performance kit antenna from the options and follow the prompts. Use your phone to point up at the sky to identify any obstructions that might block the antenna's view to the satellites. Then, if the results look good, you can place the antenna at that location. So then go and connect the antenna up to the power supply unit and the Wi-Fi router like I showed you at the end of the unboxing video. You'll see when you power up the antenna, it will search the sky to find and connect to the Starlink satellites. Now you can set up your new SSID and password using the mobile app. Then just go to your mobile Wi-Fi settings and log on to the stinky Wi-Fi network. Then open the Starlink app again, where you'll be asked to create a new SSID and password for your HP kit. Then you need to connect on Wi-Fi to the new SSID that you've just set up, and then jump back into the Starlink app to complete setup. Right, you've got everything done. You're all set up. You should be ready to go. So obviously the first thing you want to do is run a speed test just to make sure that your system's ready to use. If you want to stow the antenna, just select stow from the app and then the antenna will power down and stow immediately for easier storage. If you encounter any errors like terminal not yet activated or unexpected location, simply contact us and we'll get that updated with Starlink for you. And that's it. We've completed the commissioning of our new Starlink service. Now we can go and use it.